We here at Backbase recognized early on that every organization strives to address the needs and desires of each group within their stakeholder stack. To this end, the Backbase portal strives to empower each group with the ability to alleviate their respective pain points. In previous sections, I discussed how this is accomplished from the standpoint of the IT architect and the services developer. However, here in this section, we're going to explore Portal 5's newly improved administrative interface and see how this applies to e-business professionals. While e-business typically has their fair share of pain points that they have to deal with when they're rolling out a new web application, among the most prevalent is their extensive reliance on the IT departments. Anytime a change to the workflow or a change to the application spec needs to be made, they have to submit a request, have it prioritized, and then have the subsequent changes made from the IT department anywhere between 1 and 6 months from the time of the initial request. What I'm going to show you over the next couple minutes is how easy it is for us to empower e-business via the new admin interface and give them the ability to really customize and configure a user's workspace environment. What you're looking at right here is a very generic online banking portal. You've got your navigation component up at the top, which is a series of tabs allowing you to switch between portal pages. Within this portal, we've got a couple widgets on the page that are reflecting credit card offers or any type of cross and upsell type of opportunities. And then the widgets in the center of the page that are displayed most predominantly are reflecting the core banking functionality that's inherent in the IT subsystems. For the next couple of minutes, I'm actually going to take on the role of an e-business executive, go into the portal administrative database, and start to customize and enhance this particular UI in a very easy to use, very quick and very easy to use fashion. The most prominent aspect of the portal administrator is, of course, the portal page editor. Within this, you can see that the portal containers for the individual portal pages are reflected in this particular UI. I can go in here, make changes to widget preferences, move the widgets, the position of the individual widgets, and also make changes to the gadget catalog. But before I go in and show you some of that, I want to show you Backbase's latest initiative into the portal space, our online app store. Backbase's app store is going to serve as a doorway to a community of developers, all working towards creating widgets that serve to either enhance or extend the functionality of online banking sites or online financial institutions that might not, with applications that might not be inherent to their core IT infrastructure. Partnering with us in this endeavor, at least in the first run, is Strands Finance, an organization that creates PFM tools for individuals, as well as Thomson Reuters, who will be providing news and video for business and investment information. The UI for the App Store is pretty much the UI that you've seen across the board on a number of different online app stores. I can click on the preview button and see information regarding the details of the individual gadgets. I can then add it to my portal instance. And this is going to make this particular widget available for use in my widget catalog. Now that I've added a couple widgets here, let's go back to the portal page editor and see what we've got. So the first step, we can see what the portal page looks like. You can see that the portal page that we saw in the previous window is reflected here. We can then go to our editor. Here I've got my library of widgets that's available. You can see that the Strands PFM tool and the Reuters News widgets are present in the editor now. I can bring the Strands tool. It's a matter of just drag and drop. I'll replace that newsreader with one from Thomson Reuters. And this child-based PFM tool, since this is something that not everyone's going to use, I'm going to check the checkbox that's going to add that to our widget catalog. Next, I'm going to go into the preview pane. Now, one of the things that Backbase is really proud of that's going to be coming out in the 5 line is templates for different mobile devices, be it tablets or smartphones. So in the preview page, we can see what the end result of our portal layout configurations is going to look like, not just on a PC, but also, again, like I said, on the tablet and other various smartphones. These templates are just a collection of JavaScript, CSS, and HTML that allow these particular the portal pages to exist within these applications. Now, not wanting to just have e-business make changes and have those immediately go live, Backbase has instantiated a publication mechanism, a publication workflow. So within this, all the changes that I've made since I've actually entered the portal admin are presented here. I can choose which changes I actually want to package and submit, and then I can publish that package to my high-level administrator. So I can publish that to staging, and then we can go in and we can see that the changes that we've made to our portal instance are actually reflected in the application. I've got my PFM tool, I've got my new newsreader, and then when I go into my portal, my gadget catalog, you can see that I now have the piggy bank available that I can now add dynamically to my portal instance. So going back to some of the benefits of this new portal admin interface for e-business specifically, we're giving them the ability to customize the end user's experience without IT reliance. They can take a look at what different content components are being used and are proving to be effective, and very quickly respond to that analytical information to ensure that the user has the best possible online experience. Finally, because this is based on W3 standards, this is a singular code base that can extend across a multitude of different online channels, be they mobile, tablets, or desktop PCs.